High potential teams are built on four essential foundations. The first foundation is clarity of purpose. Every team member understands not just what they do, but why it matters. Clarity creates alignment. Alignment creates momentum. The second foundation is capability and competence. High potential teams continuously strengthen their technical, operational, and analytical capability. They never become comfortable with current competence. They evolve continuously. The third foundation is analytical and adaptive mindset. These teams question assumptions. They analyze signals. They respond intelligently to change rather than reacting emotionally. And the fourth foundation is collaborative trust and accountability. High potential teams trust each other. They communicate openly and they take shared ownership of outcomes. When these four foundations align, high potential teams evolve from functional units into high performing ecosystems. High potential teams are a reflection of leadership quality. The strength of the team mirrors the strength of leadership. Leaders create clarity. Leaders create trust. Leaders create capability. Leaders create ownership. High potential leaders do five critical things. They provide clear vision and direction. They create psychological safety, where people feel safe to think, speak, and learn. They encourage independent thinking and ownership. They invest continuously in capability development, and they model adaptability and composure, especially during uncertainty. Because teams don't become high potential by instruction, they become high potential by example. High potential teams are shaped by the environment leaders create. Environment drives behavior, and behavior drives performance. When teams are empowered to make decisions, they move faster. When teams are encouraged to speak openly, they solve problems better. When teams operate in a culture of continuous learning, they evolve continuously. And when teams feel respected and safe, they contribute fully. The environment leaders create determines whether teams operate in fear or in capability. High potential performance is not demanded, it is enabled. In today's world, adaptability is no longer optional. It is the defining capability of future-ready teams. High potential teams respond to change with confidence, not confusion. They learn continuously from both success and failure. They anticipate risk before they become crisis, and they embrace continuous improvement as a way of operating. These teams do not fear change. They use change as an advantage, because the future will not belong to the strongest organization. It will belong to the most adaptive. High potential teams emerge when leadership builds capability, empowers people, and fosters adaptive culture. This is not just about improving performance. This is about building organizations that can thrive in uncertainty. This is about developing leaders who build other leaders. And this is how high potential teams create lasting transformation.